Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to install a cable into a junction box. So here's one of our 4-way stainless steel junction boxes, and this does come in mild steel and plastic as well. And then we do have options for 4 load cells, 6, 8, 10, and more if needed. So basically what we're going to do is start by taking off the 4 screws to get access to the summoning card. Okay, so here you go, you'll see that we have 4 different areas where we can wire in load cells, and then this area here is going to be where we can wire in our cable. Now if you take a look closely here at the board, you'll see that there's markings here where it says -E, -S, shield, +S, +E. So this is where we're going to wire in our cable, and basically we will at the end of this video put the wiring diagram so that you can see of how we're going to wire this in. But what we're going to do is take this off here, and then we're going to grab our cable, and always make sure that you want to put this end on first here in order to tighten down your cable after it's been inserted. All right. So we're going to go ahead and feed our cable through this center hole here. All right. So now that we have our cables through here, what we're going to do is these screws here, we need to loosen them so we can open up this block inside to where we can enter in the cables. So with a flathead screwdriver, we're just going to go ahead and loosen these to open them, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. Okay, so now that they're open, you can see here where they can be entered in, and then we'll tighten them down. So first we have, let's see here, we have minus excitation, which is going to be our black wire. So we're going to first take that, and we're going to enter that in here, and then we're going to tighten this down. All right. And just make sure it's done correctly. We'll just give it a light little tug. If it stays in, then we're good. If it does come loose, then we need to redo it over. Next step here is going to be our minus sigma, which is going to be white. So we're going to go ahead and enter that in. Then we will tighten this down. All right, and then the same process, we'll just give it a light tug. Next is going to be our shield, which is our ground, and that will go here into the center. We'll tighten that down. Give that a small tug. And then next we're going to do our green, which is going to be sigma positive, sigma plus. In there. And then last, we're going to have our red, which is going to be excitation positive, which would be E plus. And from here, we'll just tighten this last one down. All right, and give that a tug. All right, and that's basically how you're going to install a cable. And this last part is if you wanted to use this locking mechanism to lock in your cable, and that would basically give you that watertight connection there to keep moisture out. And that's basically how you wire in a cable. So if you need to take a cable out, It's the same process. We would just loosen these 4 here. 1, 2, 3, and 5. All right, and then we would just loosen this piece here. And to pull your cable out, you just pull it just like that. And that's how you insert a new cable into your junction box and how you take it off. Thank you for watching.